Welcome to the wonders of the world. Today we journey to Machu Picchu, the legendary Inca city perched high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Believed to have been constructed in the mid-15th century, Machu Picchu was built by the Inca emperor Pachacuti. This ancient city is renowned for its sophisticated dry stone construction, with stones fitting together so precisely that no mortar is needed. The Inca were master builders, using techniques that allowed the city to withstand earthquakes and the harsh mountain climate. They constructed agricultural terraces, temples, palaces and residences, all harmoniously integrated with the natural landscape. Among the many fascinating structures at Machu Picchu are the Intihuatana stone, the Temple of the Sun and the Room of the Three Windows. These sites reveal the Incas' deep understanding of astronomy and their spiritual connection to the cosmos. The agricultural terraces, which cascade down the steep mountainsides, allowed the Inca to cultivate crops at high altitudes. This innovative farming system helped sustain the city's inhabitants. Rediscovered in 1911 by American explorer Hiram Bingham, Machu Picchu has since become a symbol of Inca ingenuity and resilience. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, attracting visitors from all over the globe. The breathtaking beauty and historical significance of Machu Picchu continue to inspire awe and admiration, offering a glimpse into the remarkable achievements of the Inca civilization.